Welcome to Study Loop.
So this question is asking how ATP stores energy. Um, and it stores energy in the form of blank bonds. So option A is carbohydrate. So a carbohydrate is just a type of molecule. So a carb is a type of molecule with the generic formula CH2O. So uh, for example, with a hexamer would be C6H12O6 for a molecule of glucose, for example. So this carbohydrates are not a type of bond. Um, B says glycolysis, which is also not a type of bond. Glycolysis is an enzymatic process involved in breaking down glucose and sugars. Um, the third option is glycogen, which is uh, another carbohydrate molecule, but it's a polymer. It's a polysaccharide. Or starch-like molecule, again, not a type of chemical bond. So the only reasonable answer to this question is D, phosphodiester bond. So phosphodiester refers, the phospho portion refers to the phosphorus groups that are present in kind of the tail of the adenosine triphosphate molecule. Um, and diester simply refers that these phosphates are linked with oxygen molecules in between. And ester is a specific name that we give to a molecule that's linked by oxygen bonds. So ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is simply three phosphate groups, triphosphate, linked to that adenosine molecule. And since each of these phosphate groups has a strong negative charge associated with it, remember that like charges will repel each other. So having all this negative charge concentrated in the same small region of the molecule makes these bonds very active and very high energy. So that's kind of the form of energy that your cells use to carry out a lot of molecular functions. So the correct answer to this question is D, that ATP stores energy in the form of phosphodiester bonds, which are these high energy chemical bonds which use oxygen to link phosphate groups.